new trends forming with blue on blue or orange over orange. So we kind of talked about that. We've seen what it looks like to have a trend shifting, changing, forming. We've kind of seen what it looks like with channels. We've seen what it looks like to pop out of a bearish volatility cloud and all of a sudden it turns green. And then the next thing that happens is we see a breakout bar kind of supporting it. If it's a meaningful time frame, right, like 4 hour or larger, that's kind of useful. A lot of times those 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 days are where we see nice reversals. Now, can you catch it sooner? Yeah, you can be a part of the 2 hour, but it may not be conducive to, your lifestyle. And so catching a 4 hour trend change is never a bad thing. Neither is a 1 day if you catch a larger scale trend change. And so we've seen what it looks like for that to change trend. Then it gets supported by a breakout bar, right? We start to see that yellow and orange. And so it's nice to be in a green volatility cloud transition supported by a yellow forming or an orange flashing breakout bar. And then even more confluence comes when we start to see the movement monitor turn green and or simply turn orange, which happens in moments of extreme bullish volatility. And when you see all three of those happen at the same time, that's nice. That's a very bullish configuration. And then you want to evaluate, are conditions at a minimum conducive or allowing of a change in a more meaningful time frame, right? Like if you're looking at the 1 day data doing that, can you look at the 2 day and the 3 day and at least say, these are not yet bullish, but I could easily see how they're on their way or how they could be on their way, right? And again, you can look at those those pressure lines and make sure that you're not considering entering a trade at a place where the pressure line is going to work against you. So you ask yourself the same question.